Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Zen Tool Zone. In this video, I'm diving into 20 new tools on Amazon that actually work, showing you the latest practical gadgets that can upgrade your daily life, save time, and boost efficiency with real-world usefulness and honest impressions from my testing today here. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Precision Trim Spiral Bit. Precision Trim Spiral Bit is one of those tools I always reach for when I want ultra-clean, precise cuts in my woodworking projects. It delivers smooth performance, reduced tear-out, and consistent results whether I'm working on hardwood or softwood materials. I've used it in multiple builds, and it really stands out for its durability and sharp cutting edges. It fits most routers easily, making it a versatile choice for both beginners and experienced craftsmen. If you're looking to upgrade your precision work, this bit is a game changer in my workshop. I like how it reduces vibration and keeps edges smooth, even on longer cutting sessions without burning the wood. It has quickly become a must-have tool in my collection for detailed carpentry and fine finishing tasks every day, and I highly recommend it. Grip Flex Edge Clamps. Grip Flex Edge Clamps are my go-to solution whenever I need strong, reliable hold during panel glue-ups and edge alignment tasks along the way. They provide excellent pressure distribution, helping me avoid gaps and misalignment in my woodworking projects. I've used these clamps on cabinets, tables, and shelving units, and they never disappoint in performance. The build quality feels solid, and the grip strength is impressive, even on thick hardwood panels. They're easy to adjust and save me a lot of time when working on repetitive assembly tasks. I really like how stable they keep everything, especially when I'm working alone without extra hands. They have become an essential part of my workshop setup for precision and consistency in every build I build. I highly recommend them for anyone serious about woodworking accuracy and efficiency in projects' overall use.
Laser Cut Angle Master. Laser Cut Angle Master is a tool I rely on when I need perfect angle measurements and precise layout marking. It makes every cut and joint alignment more accurate, especially during complex woodworking or framing projects. I've used it for shelves, furniture builds, and trim work, and it consistently delivers reliable results. The laser guide is bright and easy to see, even in low-light workshop conditions. It saves me time by eliminating guesswork and improving accuracy in every single project. The build feels durable and well-calibrated, which gives me confidence in long-term use. It has quickly become one of my favorite tools for precision carpentry and professional-level projects. I recommend it to anyone who wants better accuracy in their workshop setup and DIY builds. It is truly worth adding to your collection right now today. ProFix Pocket Jig Max. ProFix Pocket Jig Max is one of my favorite tools for creating strong, hidden joints in woodworking projects. It helps me achieve professional-looking pocket holes with consistent depth and perfect alignment every time. I've used it for building frames, cabinets, and furniture repairs, and it performs exceptionally well. The jig feels sturdy and easy to set up, which makes my workflow much smoother. It's great for both beginners and experienced woodworkers who want reliable joinery results. I like how accurate and repeatable the results are, even on larger projects. It saves me time and reduces mistakes when assembling complex wooden structures in my workshop. It has become an essential part of my toolkit for precision joinery and consistent crafty builds. I highly recommend it for anyone serious about woodworking accuracy and strong professional quality results.
Volt Edge Brushless Planer, 13 words. Volt Edge Brushless Planer is a powerful tool I use whenever I need smooth and precise wood surfacing. It removes material quickly while maintaining a clean, even finish on hardwood and softwood boards. I've used it for leveling doors, trimming edges, and smoothing rough lumber, and it works flawlessly. The brushless motor gives consistent power and helps extend the tool's overall lifespan significantly. It feels well-balanced and easy to control even during longer woodworking sessions in my shop. I appreciate how it reduces effort while still delivering professional-grade smoothing results every time. It has become one of my most trusted tools for furniture making and renovation projects. I highly recommend it for anyone wanting professional finish and reliable performance in woodworking tasks. This tool is absolutely worth adding to workshop collection today, right now. Texture Pro Spray Master, 13 words. Texture Pro Spray Master is a tool I often use when I want smooth and even surface finishes. It delivers fine spray control, helping me achieve professional-grade coating on different woodworking projects. I've used it for staining, painting, and finishing furniture, and it always gives consistent results. The spray pattern is adjustable, making it easy to handle both large and detailed areas. It feels lightweight and comfortable even during longer finishing sessions in my workshop. I like how evenly it distributes paint and reduces overspray issues significantly. It has quickly become my preferred tool for detailed finishing and restoration work. I highly recommend it for anyone looking to improve their surface finishing quality. Overall, it is reliable, durable, and perfect for both beginners and professional woodworking finishing applications in workshop use. Highly recommended tool.
Cordless Drill Power Set. The cordless drill power set combines strength, versatility, and convenience in one package. I appreciate how it includes a powerful drill along with essential accessories, making it ready for immediate use. The drill delivers consistent torque and speed control, allowing you to handle different materials with ease. The cordless design adds flexibility, letting you work without being restricted by cables. The battery life is reliable, ensuring you can complete tasks without frequent interruptions. I also like the sturdy build quality, which adds durability to the tool. Whether you're working on home improvement projects or professional tasks, this set provides the performance and reliability needed to get the job done efficiently. Pink Cordless Drill Kit. The Pink Cordless Drill Kit combines style with functionality, making it both attractive and practical. I found it easy to use, especially for beginners who want a lightweight and user-friendly tool. The drill delivers decent power for everyday tasks, like assembling furniture and minor repairs. The cordless design ensures freedom of movement, and the battery provides sufficient runtime for most projects. It comes with useful accessories, adding value to the overall package. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, reducing strain during use. Despite its stylish appearance, it performs reliably and efficiently. This kit is perfect for anyone looking for a functional tool that also adds a touch of personality to their collection.
DeWalt 20-Volt Max Drill. The DeWalt 20-Volt Max Drill is a powerhouse that delivers professional-grade performance. I immediately noticed its strong torque and durability, making it suitable for heavy-duty tasks. The brushless motor enhances efficiency and extends battery life, ensuring long-lasting performance. It features multiple speed settings for precise control, allowing you to work on different materials with ease. The build quality is exceptional, designed to withstand tough job site conditions. I also like the comfortable grip, which reduces fatigue during extended use. This drill is perfect for professionals and serious DIYers who need reliability and power. It's a trusted tool that consistently delivers high performance and excellent results in demanding situations.
8-Volt Cordless Screwdriver Kit. The 8-Volt Cordless Screwdriver Kit is compact, efficient, and perfect for light tasks. I found it incredibly useful for assembling furniture and handling small repairs around the house. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle, even in tight spaces. The battery provides sufficient power for everyday use, and charging is quick and convenient. It comes with multiple bits, adding versatility to the tool. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use. Despite its small size, it delivers reliable performance. This screwdriver kit is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a simple, portable, and effective tool for daily tasks without needing a full-size drill. Cordless Rotary Hammer Drill. The cordless rotary hammer drill is built for heavy-duty applications and tough materials. I was impressed by its powerful performance, making it ideal for drilling into concrete and masonry. The cordless design adds convenience, allowing you to work freely without cables. It features multiple modes, including drilling and hammering, providing versatility for different tasks. The build quality is robust, ensuring durability in demanding conditions. I also appreciate the ergonomic design, which reduces strain during extended use. The battery life is reliable, supporting long work sessions. This tool is perfect for professionals and serious DIYers who need a powerful and dependable drill for challenging projects.
Cordless Oscillating Multi-Tool. The cordless oscillating multi-tool is one of the most versatile tools I've used. It can handle cutting, sanding, scraping, and more with ease. I love how quickly you can switch attachments, making it perfect for multitasking. The cordless design provides flexibility, allowing you to work in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. The tool delivers precise performance, making it suitable for detailed work. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during use, even for extended periods. The battery life is reliable, supporting continuous operation. This multi-tool is ideal for anyone who wants a single tool capable of handling multiple tasks efficiently, saving both time and effort in various projects.
Ultimate Drill Toolbox Set. The Ultimate Drill Toolbox Set truly lives up to its name by offering everything you need in one organized package. I appreciate how it combines a powerful drill with a wide variety of accessories, including bits, sockets, and essential hand tools. The carrying case keeps everything neatly arranged, making it easy to find what you need quickly. The drill itself delivers consistent performance with adjustable speed settings that suit different materials. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced users who want convenience and functionality in one set. I found it especially useful for home repairs and small projects. Instead of searching for tools separately, this set provides a complete solution, making your workflow smoother, faster, and more efficient overall. Cordless Screwdriver Bit Set. This cordless screwdriver bit set is a must-have for anyone who deals with frequent assembly tasks. I love how it includes a wide variety of bits that fit different screw types, making it incredibly versatile. The cordless screwdriver itself is compact, lightweight, and easy to control, even in tight spaces. It's perfect for furniture assembly, electronics work, and quick fixes around the house. The battery life is impressive, allowing you to complete multiple tasks without interruption. The magnetic bit holder ensures secure placement, reducing the chance of slipping. Overall, this set offers convenience, efficiency, and reliability. It's an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users who want a simple yet effective tool for everyday tasks. Works Mini Screwdriver Kit. The Works Mini Screwdriver Kit stands out for its sleek design and excellent functionality. I found it incredibly easy to use, especially for delicate tasks like assembling gadgets or working on small household repairs. The compact size allows for precise control, and the ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use. It comes with multiple bits, making it versatile enough for various applications. The rechargeable battery provides decent runtime, and charging is quick and convenient. I particularly like how portable it is, fitting easily into a small toolbox or even a drawer. This kit is ideal for anyone who needs a reliable, lightweight tool for everyday use without sacrificing performance or convenience. 20-volt electric drill kit. This 20-volt electric drill kit offers a balanced combination of power and versatility. I found it suitable for a wide range of applications, from basic repairs to more demanding tasks. The drill provides consistent performance with adjustable speed settings, ensuring precise control. The included accessories make it convenient to handle different jobs without needing additional tools. The battery life is reliable, allowing you to work efficiently without interruptions. I also appreciate the ergonomic design, which ensures comfort during use. The build quality feels sturdy, adding durability to the tool. Overall, this kit is a practical choice for anyone looking for a dependable drill that delivers solid performance and convenience.
Drill Impact Combo Kit. The Drill Impact Combo Kit provides the best of both worlds with a drill and an impact driver. I love how this combination allows you to tackle a variety of tasks efficiently. The drill is perfect for precise work, while the impact driver delivers high torque for tougher jobs. Both tools share the same battery system, adding convenience and reducing costs. The build quality is impressive, and the tools feel durable and reliable. I also like the ergonomic design, which ensures comfort during extended use. This combo kit is ideal for anyone who needs versatility and performance in one package. It's a great investment for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. 20-volt cordless drill kit. The 20-volt cordless drill kit is a reliable tool designed for everyday use. I found it powerful enough to handle most household and workshop tasks with ease. The cordless design provides flexibility, allowing you to work in different locations without restrictions. The drill features adjustable speed settings, giving you control over various applications. The battery life is impressive, ensuring uninterrupted work sessions. It also comes with useful accessories, making it a complete package. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. Overall, this kit delivers consistent performance, durability, and convenience, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit.
Pink Mini Drill Driver. This pink mini drill driver is compact, Stylish and surprisingly powerful for its size. I found it perfect for light household tasks like assembling furniture, tightening screws, and small repairs. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle, especially for beginners or anyone who prefers a more comfortable grip during extended use. The motor delivers consistent torque, and the rechargeable battery lasts longer than expected for a mini tool. I also love how portable it is, fitting easily into drawers or tool bags. Despite its small size, it doesn't compromise on performance, making it a reliable everyday tool. If you're looking for something functional yet visually appealing, this drill driver is a great addition to your toolkit for daily DIY needs. Cordless Power Combo Kit. The Cordless Power Combo Kit is an all-in-one solution that brings versatility right into your hands. I like how it includes multiple tools designed to tackle different tasks, from drilling to fastening and even cutting in some sets. Each tool is powered by a shared battery system, making it convenient and cost-effective. The build quality feels solid, and switching between tools is smooth and hassle-free. This kit is ideal for anyone who wants to start or upgrade their collection without buying separate tools individually. It saves time, space, and effort while delivering reliable performance. Whether you're working on home improvement or professional tasks, this combo kit offers the flexibility and efficiency needed to handle a wide range of projects confidently. Cordless Brad Nailer Kit. The Cordless Brad Nailer Kit is a game changer for woodworking and trim projects. I really like how it eliminates the need for compressors or hoses, making it much more convenient to use. The nailer delivers consistent performance with precise placement, ensuring clean and professional results. It's perfect for installing moldings, cabinets, and other detailed work. The battery-powered design offers freedom of movement, allowing you to work anywhere without restrictions. I also found the safety features reassuring, preventing accidental firing. The build quality feels durable, and the tool is well balanced for comfortable handling. Overall, this kit provides efficiency, portability, and accuracy, making it an excellent choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals.
Smart Brushless Drill Kit. This smart brushless drill kit delivers impressive performance with advanced motor technology. I noticed how the brushless motor increases efficiency, reduces heat, and extends the tool's lifespan. It offers strong torque and multiple speed settings, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The smart features enhance control, allowing for precise adjustments depending on the task. I also appreciate the ergonomic design, which reduces fatigue during long working sessions. The battery life is excellent, ensuring uninterrupted productivity. Whether you're drilling into wood, metal, or plastic, this kit handles it all with ease. It's a reliable and modern solution for anyone looking to upgrade their toolkit with a powerful and efficient drill. Flip Head Drill Driver. The Flip Head Drill Driver offers a unique design that makes switching between bits incredibly fast and convenient. I found this feature especially useful when working on projects that require frequent changes between drilling and fastening. The tool is compact yet powerful, delivering reliable performance for various tasks. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, even during extended use. The dual head mechanism saves time and increases efficiency, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. I also like how lightweight it is, allowing for better control and precision. This drill driver is a practical choice for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and complete tasks more efficiently without compromising on performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found these tools helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more honest Amazon product reviews. Make sure to check the links in the description for pricing and full details on every product featured. I always try to bring you the most useful and trending gadgets that actually make a difference in everyday life. Stay connected with NextZen Tool Zone for more upcoming reviews and top picks that help you shop smarter online every day. Thanks, and see you!